Assalamu alaikum. My name is Haider और I have a back pain 10 साल से कुछ एक्सीडेंट वगैरह की वजह से spasm and all. So I have a very good session of chiropractic from Dr. Waqas, which was, this was my first chiropractic session. I have taken it in Dubai also and Pakistan में भी एक दो doctors, but mashallah बहुत मजा, alhamdulillah, I'm feeling really good. It was just my first session. And I really recommend if anybody requires a service. I know it's very less here in Islamabad. I've been to many doctors, to be honest. I won't take names, but it was a very fine session. And also, and I'm really good, feeling right now. I'm really good. And they are sitting here in I8, and I would recommend everyone to have these sessions, specifically cupping. And if somebody has any problem related chiro, I recommend Dr. Waqas for sure. Thank you so very much.